Hello viewers and welcome to my channel, Review Information. In this video I will show you how to enable and use wind down feature on Samsung Galaxy M11 smartphone.
Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified any updates.
Wind down mode is used to reduce eye strain before sleeping and preventing your sleep from being disturbed. Let's see how to use this feature. To begin, go to Settings on your phone. Scroll down and find Digital Wellbeing and Parental Controls. Tap on it. Now go to Digital Wellbeing. Again scroll down and find Wind Down. Tap on it. Now toggle that button to enable this feature. The wind down feature is now enabled, and it will be automatically turned on at scheduled start time. If you want to change it, tap on Set a Schedule. Now select the days you would like to apply. If you would like to customize the schedule time, tap on Set Schedule. Customize the start time and end time. Then tap on OK to apply the changes. From now on, you will notice your screen will change to a grayscale once the schedule has been enabled. This will only be disabled once the end time is complete, or if you have turned off wind down. So in this way, you can enable and use wind down feature on Samsung Galaxy M11 smartphone.
Thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Goodbye.